What if your groceries could shop themselves? No more scrolling, no more forgetting ingredients, no more standing in your kitchen wondering, wait, what am I missing? Well, that's exactly what Uber Eats is trying to solve. Uber Eats is rolling out a new AI-powered assistant designed to help users automatically build grocery carts inside the app. And this isn't just a small feature update. It's a major step toward AI becoming your personal shopping assistant. In this video, we're breaking down what the AI grocery assistant actually does, how it works, and why this matters for businesses and brands. Let's dive in. Uber Eats' new AI assistant helps customers create grocery carts faster and smarter. Instead of manually searching for every item, users can ask for meal ideas, request a recipe, enter dietary preferences, and describe what they want to cook. And the AI automatically generates a complete shopping cart with all the ingredients. That means fewer clicks, fewer mistakes, and fewer abandoned carts. Here's where it gets interesting. The AI analyzes your past purchases, trending recipes, store availability, dietary preferences, and budget considerations. Then it recommends a tailored grocery list, already optimized for your local store inventory. So if you type, I want to make a healthy dinner for 4 under $25. The AI doesn't just give you a recipe, it builds the cart. That's frictionless commerce. This is more than convenience. This is behavioral shift. AI removes the biggest obstacle in grocery shopping, decision fatigue. When customers don't have to think, they buy faster. And when buying is easier, order frequency increases. For Uber Eats, that means higher cart values, more recurring grocery orders, and stronger user retention. And for grocery brands, it means discoverability is now AI-driven. This is where things get strategic. When AI builds the cart, it decides which brand of pasta, which brand of sauce, which snack alternative. If your product isn't optimized within the platform's ecosystem, it risks being invisible. AI assistants are quickly becoming gatekeepers, and that changes digital marketing forever. Brands now need to think about product data optimization, clear ingredient tagging, dietary labels, and smart descriptions. Because AI pulls from structured data, if your listing isn't clear, it won't be recommended. Uber Eats isn't alone. Across retail and delivery platforms, AI assistants are moving from search engines to decision engines. Customers won't browse, they'll prompt, and AI will choose. The brands that win in this new era will be the ones that are AI-readable, data-optimized, and positioned for algorithmic discovery. So here's the big takeaway. Uber Eats' AI grocery assistant isn't just about saving time. It's about reshaping how products are selected. And when AI becomes the shopper, marketing becomes machine-facing. The question isn't just, will customers find you? It's, will the AI recommend you? And that's the future of commerce. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more updates on how AI is transforming business and digital marketing. See you in the next video.